I had just finished building my dream house on a ridge way outside the HOA. Boundaries, quiet, isolated, no neighbors, no drama. But of course, the HOA from the subdivision, a mile downhill, decided my home was somehow a personal attack against them because apparently my roofline blocked their mountain view in a week. Later, Karen and her board stomped up my driveway like angry, geese waving papers and threatening to sue if I didn't. Lower my entire house by 6 feet they kept, shouting that I violated their architectural policies even though I wasn't in their HOA, wasn't on their map, and wasn't under their control in any universe. But Karen insisted the HOA had a right to protect community aesthetics and claimed my house ruined the ambiance for several premium view homes, so they actually filed a lawsuit arguing my private property caused emotional and financial damage, then demanded the court force me to alter it. I showed up to court calm with my survey maps, zoning certificates, and boundary records while they arrived with a binder of screenshots, Google printouts, and a slideshow titled "The View We Lost." And the judge didn't even hide the smile he asked them. Where exactly in state law, private HOA controls land outside its jurisdiction. And they started stuttering, trying to explain. Implied community influence and visual control rights, and that's when the judge actually laughed. Out loud told them that views are not protected, not enforceable, and certainly not grounds to dictate construction on land they don't own. He then asked if they were aware they had wasted court resources on a case with no legal basis, and when they tried to argue again, he cut them off and dismissed the entire lawsuit with prejudice, meaning they couldn't try again. And then fined the HOA for filing a frivolous claim. Karen turned red, like a sunset, while her board shrank behind her like terrified pigeons, and I walked out, feeling lighter than the mountain breeze. And as I stepped onto my porch that evening watching the same view they claimed I stole, I couldn't help thinking maybe next time they should focus on their own neighborhood instead of trying to micromanage mine. And if you love watching HOA Karens get shredded by reality, make sure you subscribe because the next story is even crazier.